To do would be to use a quad ball. Quad ball is just that. It is a ball. You can tell it that it's 60. This will be the maximum. And you click finish form. The next thing you're going to want to do is just draw the cutouts just like anything else. So you just come in here, create sketch, and you're going to want to say, you know, whatever the center point, something like that is. And you come over there. Okay, so I have this first part. I'm just going to extrude cut this thing. That way I can go in both directions. I say two-sided. And I'm going to go this way, and I'm going to go that way. So I have the initial Pac-Man right there. And then you want to add something like a, I don't know, like an eyeball. So we're going to go over here. And we want this out. I'm actually going to use the emboss tool because I want to be able to do this on both sides. So I'm just going to draw an eyeball right here. And I'm going to make this thing, you know, something like that. And I'm going to emboss this guy. So I'll say emboss this onto this surface. Sure enough, there's my eyeball. Now you can smooth this out by hitting fillet. I'm going to say something like that. Let's see if we can do 2. Ooh, okay. 3, 4. Nah, too much. 3.5 maybe? Yeah. So that worked for that one. If you like the eyeball right here, you can also mirror that. So you can come over here and you can use the mirror command that is right here, and it's going to mirror this feature. Let's say this one, and the mirror plane, let's say, is this one. Just want to make sure that thing's popping up. Sure enough, it is. And you can go back in here and you can fillet this as well. So we can make this 3.5 again, and now you have Pac-Man with both eyes. And yeah, this is pretty much what you're going for. You can also round out the mouth or add other features.
Like a tongue.
Yeah, you can add all that stuff.